Yeah, I want the cases. I am not interested in the count actually. The question is case 1. You see, classification can be done in many ways, right? Okay, but primarily the idea is it should have some even numbers, right? How many even numbers? Out of 3. If all the 3 are odd, obviously product is going to be odd. It won't be divisible by 8. Okay, it could be 1 even and 2 odd. If 1 even and 2 odd, then you can't use 4 and 6 as even. Then you may have to use, so case 1 is, see, one of them is even and other 2 odd, then this even is fixed, that is 8 is. What if I am getting the other 2 can also be even? But definitely is going to give me, but maybe we can classify, see, it's how you classify, correct? We may classify like this, 8 and 2 odd, that means you are not going to select any more even, right? So this is one case. Case 2, 2 even, is it necessary to look what are the 2 evens? Not necessary. Any 2 evens, the product is going to be a multiple of 8. How do you know? Because there are 2 multiples of 4. So 6 is only a multiple of 2, not 4. So anyhow, when you are, or if you choose 4 and 8 also, it will become a multiple of 8. Therefore, that will come here, that 8 and another even. Then what is the third case? All are so 1 even is that number is 8, right? This should have not. There is no overlapping, right? This case is very important thing is it should not overlap. If it overlaps, you will be counting here as well as there the same thing. That means, so that's not going to happen. Therefore, 1 even and 2 odd is different from 2 even and 1 odd, different from 3 even. All the cases are definitely, there is no overlapping. So how many counts? 1 even, that is 8, and you may have to select from 5, 7, 9, 2 odd. So there are 3 ways, right? This contains 3 ways. What about case 2? That has lot of, right? How many ways you can select 2 even? 3 ways. And the remaining odd? 3 ways. So for each of the selection of evens you have, so you will be getting all are even. So the total is going to be, are able to understand. Of course, this counting and all will be seeing in the subsequent tips also. No problem if you are able to understand this. Point is how we classify and count. This is not the only way to classify. I'm not telling this is the only way to classify. Classification depends on your choice, how you are theoretically going to classify. Is there any other way to classify the same? No, cases. How are you going? 4 is, okay, 4 is one of the number. Then, okay, case 2. It's a long one. You know, definitely there should be 1 even. But if suppose you are classifying this way, 4 is one of the even, case 1. Case 2, 6 is one of the even. Case 3, 8 is one of the even. What is the problem with the classification? In 4 is one of the even, 6 may be the secondary. If 4 is primary, 6 may be secondary, right? And then if 6 is primary, 4 may be secondary. You may be getting the same combination, and you'll be. That's what I said. Over your classification, you can do in any way theoretically, but try to make the classification such that there is no overlapping. Okay, understood all of you?